Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Autosave appears in the top left of Excel 365 and newer versions. Use the Autosave toggle in the title bar to disable Autosave for the current file. This toggle only controls the file you currently have open, and it does not change global settings. Note that Autosave only applies when the file is stored on OneDrive or SharePoint. If your workbook is saved locally, Autosave will be unavailable. Click the Autosave toggle once to turn it off for the open workbook. To stop Autosave for a specific workbook, save the file to your local drive. Choose File, then Save As, and pick this PC or a local folder. Saving locally prevents automatic autosave to OneDrive or SharePoint. If you want extra protection, open File, choose Options, and go to Save Settings. They're set auto-recover to save information every 10 minutes or a preferred interval. These steps keep auto-save off while preserving auto-recover safeguards for that single file. To disable auto-save across many devices, use Group Policy with Office Administrative Templates. Administrators can set the auto-save policy to disabled for user accounts across the domain. For individual advanced users, edit the registry key under HKey current user /software /Microsoft /Office /16, 0 /Excel /options, and create or set the Word auto save to 0. Always back up the registry before changing keys to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.